In DVT IDE, you can easily add, remove, and reorder the arguments of a function or task. Place the editor cursor on a method name, either on its declaration or on a method call. Then, run the refactor command and choose Change Function Signature from the pop-up list. In the dialog that pops up, click Add and specify the new arguments type, name, and the value to be used in existing calls. Use the up and down buttons to move the arguments. You can choose to preview the changes about to be performed or click OK to apply them. Let's take a look at the preview. Note that the changes will be performed both in the extern declaration and in the out-of-body implementation of the function, and all existing function calls will be updated as well. Now let's take another example. Note that this task has two overrides in UART monitor subclasses. Let's remove one of its arguments. Note that all task declarations across the whole object-oriented inheritance tree, as well as the task calls, have been automatically updated.